In Des Allemands, where hot, humid summers and sudden rainstorms are part of everyday life, homeowners are always looking for smarter ways to keep their homes comfortable without driving up energy bills. One often overlooked upgrade that delivers impressive results is the installation of awning windows. Stylish, practical, and highly efficient, awning windows can play a major role in improving your home's energy performance year-round. If you're searching for ways to lower utility costs while enhancing indoor comfort, awning windows may be the perfect solution. Designed for superior ventilation, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a sloped, awning-like effect. This design allows you to keep windows open even during light rain, an especially valuable feature in Des Allemands' unpredictable weather. Instead of sealing your home tight and relying solely on air conditioning, you can take advantage of natural ventilation more often. Proper ventilation reduces the buildup of heat and humidity inside your home. When fresh air circulates freely, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on cooling costs, especially during long Louisiana summers. Tight seals that prevent air leaks. Energy efficiency isn't just about ventilation, it's also about preventing unwanted air transfer. Awning windows are known for their excellent sealing capabilities. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a compression seal that minimizes drafts. In older or poorly sealed windows, small gaps can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in. This forces your air conditioning system to run longer and more frequently. Awning windows help prevent these leaks, maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature and reducing energy waste. For homeowners in Des Allemands, where both heat and humidity can strain cooling systems, a tight window seal can make a significant difference in comfort and energy costs. Maximizing natural light without extra heat. Another way awning windows contribute to energy efficiency is by increasing natural light. Strategically placed awning windows allow sunlight to brighten interior spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Less reliance on lights means lower electricity usage. Modern awning windows can also be customized with energy-efficient glass options such as low-E coatings and double or triple panes. These features reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. The result is a brighter home that stays cooler, even when the sun is strong. By balancing natural light and thermal performance, awning windows help create a more energy-conscious living environment. Ideal for hard-to-reach areas, awning windows are often installed higher on walls or in areas where traditional windows may not be practical, such as above kitchen sinks or in bathrooms. In these spaces, they provide ventilation exactly where it's needed most. In humid regions like Des Allemands, managing moisture is critical. Bathrooms and kitchens generate steam and heat, which can raise indoor humidity levels and make cooling systems work harder. Awning windows allow moisture to escape quickly, improving air quality and reducing the load on your HVAC system. When placed strategically throughout your home, these windows support better airflow and overall efficiency. Built for Louisiana weather, durability is another important factor in energy efficiency. Windows that warp, crack, or deteriorate over time can compromise insulation. Awning windows are available in materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad wood, each designed to withstand the local climate. High-quality materials resist moisture damage and maintain their seal integrity, ensuring consistent performance over the years. With proper installation, awning windows can stand up to heavy rains and strong winds while continuing to provide reliable insulation. A smart investment for long-term savings. Upgrading to awning windows is more than a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in your home's efficiency and comfort. By reducing air leaks, enhancing ventilation, and supporting better temperature control, these windows help lower energy consumption without sacrificing style or functionality. For Des Allemands homeowners looking to cut energy costs and create a more comfortable living space, awning windows offer a practical, climate-friendly solution. With the right design and professional installation, you can enjoy a cooler home, fresher air, and savings that add up season after season.